Can the Chemical Guys Foam Blaster Kit clean this filthy 4Runner and traction boards? We're going to put this to the test and see if this kit is worth it. I typically take my car to the manual car wash with pressure washers and foam brushes, but I was looking for something that might cost less or save time and do a better job. So I got the Chemical Guys Foam Blaster Kit to try out. This kit comes with a large quality wash mitt and the foam blaster with various settings of intensity and a spray nozzle. I was immediately impressed by the brass fittings and the quick connect sprayer. Both were very high quality. I also ordered the 16-ounce extreme body wash and wax in grape scent. So let's put this to the test. My 4Runner is filthy with mud and grime and salt from the winter and pollen from the spring, and the tires and the traction boards have layers of caked on mud and dirt. So first, I wet down everything to start soaking, and then I filled the bottle to the soap line, which is about 2 ounces. I filled the remainder of the canister with water, connected the hose, and went to town. The foam suds are exactly what the picture on the box shows. I was impressed how the suds clung to the vehicle. I could see dirt and grime dripping away, even on the thick, muddy areas. But the foaming doesn't last very long. I had to refill the canister a few times with soap concentrate and water to completely cover the entire 4Runner. In all, I used 8 ounces of the concentrate, which is half the bottle. That's 4 times more than what I was expecting to need to use. I used the wash mitt, starting from the top and working my way down, and I sprayed off the mitt, but you can just dunk it in a rinse bucket if you like. After a final rinse, I dried it with a microfiber towel. In summary, the vehicle got very clean, but the tires not so much. I could have used more soap, but I already used half the bottle. I think the pressure washer would have worked better, but this is an extreme example though. If you have a regular car that doesn't off-road, I think the Chemical Guys system will work great for you.